Okay, this was our first idea. This is the webbing from mosquitocurtains.com, and basically what it is, I think, is a polypropylene screen. It's very light. The mesh can be made into different sizes as far as the holes to contain different types of oil globules. And basically the idea was to have the boom that they're using now, of course, above the water, would be at this position, and then have this net go down to the floor of the lakes and have it attached to a rebar on the bottom, so that as the oil would be pushed in with the current and the tide, it would actually get caught into the webbing and allow some of the water to go through, but it would hold back the oil so the oil wouldn't continue to go into the wetlands, and these could be used in the passes. Okay, this idea is having the curtain come down to which would trap the oil and stop it from going underneath from the lake floor up to where the boom would be in this position, which would be the float. Now, if you have the oil coming, and it seems to be a problem with the oil going under the booms and over the booms with rough water, if you had a small boom here that didn't float very high, and then you had a large boom on this side, you can drape this material in between and actually make a trough to where the oil would come up the net with the current, push it over with the wave action, and basically drop it into a trough. And having a larger boom in the back, it would actually slow down the wave action and help hold the oil in one position, so that maybe we could go through and vacuum this oil out, or remove these nets and take the oil out of place when the nets got full.
Okay.
Okay, here's some curtains from mosquitocurtains.com. What we've made here is a basically an oil recovery tube. That's pretty simple. I think you could just do it at home. Basically what it is, it's a piece of netting, polypropylene netting with Velcro on it, and all you need to do is take to the beach a bale of hay, which seems to be a pretty good source for absorbing the oil. If you need floats, you can get little balls from Home Depot. Putting the ball in every so often, guarantee that the boom will float. Of course, I think the oil itself would keep the boom buoyant. Now, it's not U.S. government approved, but how simple was that to make a boom that you could put along the beach, that as the oil was coming in, it would absorb the oil before it got on the beach. Even if you laid it along the beach, it would stop the oil from getting into the sand and help absorb it. And that's it.